Out past the river where the tall pines stand, there's a broken old house on a patch of land. Windows gone dark and the porch leaning low, where the wild grass and the old winds blow. Two rusted cars where the driveway died, one with its door hanging open wide. Paint all gone and the chrome turned brown, like ghosts of a road that left this town. Dust in the rain on an old dirt lane, time keeps rolling but nothing's the same. The world moved on but the wind still knows every story that the old house holds. Someone once laughed on that front porch rail, kids chased tires down